Hi everyone, in this video we'll be covering view and pure functions. So the functions can be marked as view or pure based on how we are interacting with state variables within the function. If we are not reading or writing to any state variable, the function will be pure function because we aren't interacting with the state at all. If we are reading the state variable, then the function becomes a view function, because even though we are not writing, we are still reading the value of the state. So the function becomes a view function. If we are reading and writing the state variable both, then it's declared normally and we don't need to add any specific modifier. Now this helps us in distinguishing the functions from a high level only without having the need to go deep into the logic of the function. And this is very useful for security purposes because we can segregate which functions are doing what kind of stuff with the state variable. And this is also useful for gas optimization. Like if you want to optimize your code base, you can target the code snippets accordingly based on how they are interacting with the state of the blockchain. So I'll walk you through the smart contract here. We have two functions. Our first function is view because it reads the state variable x, and our next function is pure because it doesn't do anything with our state variable x. So I think it's simple and pretty much straightforward. And again, I don't need to walk you guys through this on the Remix ID specifically. So I'll see you in the next video.